Hello everyone. Now let's take a look at another video about a comparison. And in this video we will introduce the special part inside the JavaScript about a comparison, which is a strict equality. Probably in other language, because I only know Java. Okay, Java doesn't have this feature. Inside the JavaScript, in previous video, we're using equal to compare, right? And inside the JavaScript, you can using 3 equal sign. And this 3 equal sign will check the equality without type convention. Another means it will check value and types. And when we're using equal, it only check value. What that mean? Here, when we're using 0 equal false, we know the false will be converted into a number which is 0. And 0 equal to 0, which is only check the value, so you will get a true. Oh, sorry, this one is wrong, okay. This one is wrong. This one should be false. Okay, I have to change. And when we're using 0 equal to false, it's gonna become false. The reason is first, this part it do become the value of 0 when we're trying to compare. But this 3 equal sign will also check the type, and the 0 is a number, and false is a boolean, and the type doesn't match. So when we're using 3 equal, it will get a false. Okay, let me check. Let me show you from the from where? From our code. False, this one. Okay, mistake. I was using our code, and here I forgot to change. This one is a false. Let me try to find for you, show you this one. Okay, now let's see. The first one is true, the second one is false. We also have other example like console.log, what's thing? Suppose previously we're using 5 equal to 5, we'll get is true. True, because string 5 will convert to be number 5, and 5 is equal to 5, the value, okay, so it will give us true. But if we're using console, if we're using 5 equal 5, which you also check the type, you will get the false, because the 5 is what thing? Is a string, and this part is what thing? This part is a number, so the type doesn't match. You will get a false, so you have to beware. And we always recommend you using 3 equal. Okay, always recommend you using 3 equal. Otherwise, you will see this kind of the number. One is a number, one is boolean. It will also return true to you. Okay. Now let's take a look at this one. The value undefined shouldn't be compared to other values. Actually, this one I showed you in previous video, which is like this one. The same thing. I show you one more time. Okay, undefined. When we compare undefined with other values, you will get all false. Okay, all of them will become false. All of them, because like in undefined, and you will get, when we're using undefined compared with 0, you will get NaN. Undefined, this part is the same thing as I show you, like 2AB compared with 0, you will get NaN. And NaN, when we compare anything with NaN, and NaN will become what? Become false. And the third one, which is undefined equal to 0, return false, is because undefined only equals to none and undefined. It doesn't equal to anything else. So these two, when we compare, is because undefined will convert into NaN, and this one will become false is because undefined only compare with only equal to none and undefined. Let's check this one. Okay. So console.log undefined equal to undefined. Okay, and let's try another one. Undefined equal to none. Okay, now I will see how many. Wait for a second. This one. I will comment all this. Okay. So here we have 5 statements. Okay, so here we'll get what's thing true. Okay, and here we'll get what's thing true. And when you compare undefined equal to something else, it's gonna all give you false, no matter it's 0 or 1 or 2, 3. If we give like a 1, 2, 3, right, you will get a false. Okay, and here we have to be careful. In this case, undefined equals to none. And if we're using 3 equal sign, what's gonna happen? You get a false, right? Because this one also check a type, and undefined and none, they are different types. Okay, be aware of that. And the last one is NaN. NaN, when we compare NaN with anything else, you will always get false. And NaN is a value inside the is a value of a number type. So if we're using type of NaN, you will get a number. Okay, so NaN is actually a numeric value. So that's a strict equality. We always recommend you have 3 equal here, so you will check the type and value together. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.